What's up, traders? Welcome to Money Markets, a live session, and just let me know if you guys can hear me properly so that I can start speaking. So welcome again. Welcome to Money Markets YouTube live session. Just let me know if you guys can hear me properly so I can start speaking. Hi Vikram. Hi Parachit. Hi Vikram. Hi Zad. Good evening. So you guys can hear me properly or any sound issues? Perfect. So as this is a public live session, so anyone, if you have any questions, any confusions, or if you are trading any particular platform or anything else, let me know. We can do a quick session, quick analysis, and I'll answer you right away. So just drop your question in the comment section. Hi Ashki, hi Ustana, clear, perfect. Hi Antonio, perfect, nice one. So anything you are trading, just let me know. We can do a quick analysis. Good evening, buddy. So GBPUSD, EURUSD. So let's take a quick look of that as well. And Sahu, hi Benz. Bullish? Is it bullish in Gulf and Capital? Are you talking about natural gas? So since until I get your answer, I'll just take a look at GBPUSD. Vikram, actually I want to see bearish engulfer now here. This would be an entry as well, but next bearish engulfer will be a better entry. But if you have entered here already, that's fine. Stop loss will be here. The bigger targets you learn in the MMTA course. So I'm going to use the bigger targets for both of them, EURUSD and GBPUSD. So right here, EURUSD. I'm waiting for the next candle to be bearish engulfer. That would be an entry as well, but using a bigger targets from the a strategy room section. So perfect. Okay, gold. I'm going to take a look at gold and natural gas both, and let's take a look quickly at natural gas. So wait till this candle is closed. Once this candle is closed, only then we have a confirmation that price wants to now push higher. So very important, because sometimes candles close back down, leaving the wick. So that is what we don't want. So wait till the price closed above this box and 50 EMA as well. So here we have a good momentum. So yeah, let it close, and then we have a confirmation that price is likely going to push higher. And 382 in Dow Jones. Okay, let's see 382. Before that, let's see gold, and then I'm going to come to your question. So right here in gold. So as long as the gold is not broken above this range, we are not entering any trade. Once we are broken above this high, then we have a confirmation that gold will push higher. I'm also looking at ratio. So since we are in a live session, it's very easy to explain you guys. So when the ratio will hit this resistance level, till then the gold will range, or silver will push lower. So if you look at silver, we are still ranging on both, and here on the ratio we are pushing higher. So once the ratio will hit the resistance level, we can see a possible push down in silver and gold. Once we hit this zone, we'll start to see a retracement. So I want to see a bearish condition on gold and silver ratio, then gold and silver itself will start to push higher. So that is what we need to look at. So US cocoa, no, we haven't got any bullish engulfer yet. Abir, if we haven't got any bullish engulfers, so we do not have any valid entries, so we're still waiting for the valid entries. Hi Patrick. SHIB, yes, we're going to take a look at SHIB as well. And in capital.com, you said you see capital.com right here. If you're looking this as a bullish engulfer, that is not one of my valid entry confirmations, so I'm not taking it as a valid entry. So that's just to let you know. And Dow Jones and then SHIB, we have Dow Jones, and let's see. Now I can't see any 382 valid 382 candle. That's a inverted 382 candle, but we are not taking it as an entry unless we are at the resistance level, which is right here. So unless we see this entry here, we are not taking it as an entry. So invalid entry on Dow Jones, US 30, nothing now. Okay, you are talking about this one. If you're talking about this one, on Pepperstone, so we now still invalid entry. It is not following the rules of our entry condition, so you're not taking it as an entry and wait for the next good condition. So we're looking at crypto market. By the way, yesterday we took some nice badass trade. Not yesterday, in the live session with with the members only, we had some trades, and which I'm going to show you in a very short while. And let's look at SHIB first. It is a coin I've also invested in. Sorry guys. I've just recently uploaded my natural gas video, so my throat is a bit dry. And when I could take a look at SHIB. Right. Oops. Right. So for SHIB, we are now in a very good level, buying level. Yeah. So that's a good level to buy. So if you are looking to buy here, that's a good point to invest. Or if you are doing futures trading, wait for the bullish engulfer here for your entry, and you can do a quick scalp till 50 and 20 EMA. But for investment, for long-term spot trading, this level is a good level for long-term investment. As you can see, a good level, a significant level, so we can get a possible push up from here. So a good level here. Hey buddy, how are you? Yep, live session after a long time. Yeah, so I decided to do one public live session. It's been a while since we have done one. Like it's been like 2 months ago, I guess. So that's why I just wanted to do one more and interact with you guys. So if you have any questions, any confusions, we can just quickly take a look here. And copper, I think so. Yes, we have a valid candle. I'm going to take a look a very short while. Australian USD, yes, I think so. That already pushed higher, and sorry, AUS 200. So that's already pushed higher, and we had a valid bearish engulfer somewhere. Where do we have valid bearish engulfer? Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum fully. Yes, I think so. If it was bearish engulfer, then it already hit the stop loss because it's now broken above. You're talking about bearish entry, right? Zed, are you looking at bearish entry? Okay, US Cocoa as well. We're going to take a look, and Ethereum as well. Yeah, all three. And until I get your question, I'm going to take a look at Ethereum, and then we're going to go back to Cocoa, and we're going to do a quick opportunities on crypto as well. A little scalp while we are in the live session. So I think so. I have marked some boxes First, take a look at Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is about to hit a good level, which is right here. 31,094, that goes to 33,018. A very good level here from where we can expect a good bounce. If you are trading futures, that is a good level to buy, but wait for the bullish entry condition, which is bullish engulfers or 382 candle. If you have already seen the video how what 382 candles are, then it's all already in my playlist. Feel free to check that out. So 382 candles, bullish engulfers in this area, and that's a good area to buy Ethereum right here. Just want to mark, if you want to mark these zones, it's right here, 3194, that goes to 3318. Crude oil is pushing up, yes, Camille, and hello Flexi, Russia, hello from the UK, United Kingdom. Hi Renata, not sure if I'm pronouncing your name correctly. So my pleasure, Lee. And we're going to look at copper, and we're going to look at what crude oil. So quickly look at copper, and then I'm going to show you some trades as well. Base copper. Yeah, getting a nice bullish engulfer. Yeah. If closed, then we have an entry. Yes. And that's a level 4.349 that goes to 4.564. So yeah, bullish engulfer will be an entry. I've already entered here, so that's why I'm not taking an entry again, but that would be an absolutely valid entry as well. So if you want to take, but take it with a very low risk, because just with bullish engulfer, I want to see an overbought, oversold situation as well, which we do not get. So it's going to be weak entry. And here, if you see, somewhere here, that was nice divergence and also oversold situation. So that makes it a strong entry. So going to be weak entry. If you want to take a low risk here, going to be valid entry as well. So ZAD, AUD, MCX, yeah, MOX. Yeah, I'm going to take that. Look at that as well. So ZAD for now, AUS Australia 200 index. For now, that looks to me. For now, that looks bullish. Bullish engulfer above 50 EMA right here. A valid bullish entry at this point. Pushed up from this little box, and yes, on higher time frame, it's bullish as well. So we can expect a push higher for now till the level above, which is a major resistance. Right here, 7855, that goes to 7889, a good level for the counter trades. For now, I think so. Yes, it was a head and shoulder pattern yesterday you were talking about. So I just adjusted the box here. That's why I did not break below the box. It was something like this yesterday. This entry played out, but that wouldn't have played out. So if you have entered at the close, that did not play out, and that pushes higher. So that is now is not a valid entry anymore. So we are now looking at the upside. The direction has been changed. Okay, MCX. Hi, Luki. The video has already been uploaded for natural gas with the full analysis. Has been uploaded. So if you want to take a look on my channel, it's been uploaded. And just turn your notifications on so that you won't miss any update. And US Cocoa, I'm going to take a look at that as well quickly. US Cocoa is still bullish, and I'm expecting a price to push higher till here. 11,295, that goes up to 11,741. So a good bullish candle, not a bullish engulfer, but a signal that price has just retested the previous level right here. Push up, retest it. We can still get a retest like a bullish condition, a double bottom, and that will push up. So if you want to be extra cautious, wait for the bullish engulfer here. That will be a very good signal. So yeah, I'm still bullish for this one for US cocoa, short term and long term both. Yeah, natural gas has been up and down, yeah, but that's why I only took few trades this year for natural gas, not many. I think so 6 or 7 trades. I only entered trades for major zones, and once we have a confirmed entry, only then I enter my trades. So that is why it's very important to be really cautious when you're taking trades for commodities. And S&P 500, yeah, S&P 500 pushed up as well. So oh yeah, told you the box break will be your entry. So pushed up, and for crude oil as well, and that pushed higher. So Flexi, are you talking about MCX? You want me to look at MCX and MOEX? If that's a question, please let me know again in the comment section so we can take a look. And MCX, you are in trade. So that's, I think so that's the Indian market, MCX, if I'm not wrong. So thank you, Joan, thank you. Sunita, if 20 EMA cross 50 EMA means the trend is likely to change. 20 EMA is a faster moving average when it crossed the slower moving average, and with that we have a bullish confirmation, like a bullish engulfer. That is also a valid signal. So just a cross doesn't mean that we're going to push higher. We just recently took a trade a couple of days ago. Let me show you that with the cross, and I've already also mentioned that we have a cross when I sent this as an alert, which was NZDCHF. If my memory is good, that's the one. Yeah, right here. So we took this trade a couple of days ago, and I've mentioned that in the trade alert I've sent to the members. No problem, Flexi. My English is not really good as well, so I can still understand you. Just try to write anything, just some clues, so I can take a look for your charts, for your entries. So Sunita, you see EMA cross. In this case, it's an opposite. So 20 EMA crossing 50 EMA when the price is trading below 50 EMA and 20 EMA. We had a bearish engulfer with a cross, right? It doesn't has to be right at the cross. It can happen after a few candles with a cross, and if that happens, that is a very strong signal the price is going to push up or down. And if it's crossing, if 50 EMA, 20 EMA is crossing from the below, then that's the opposite. So it's crossing from the above, that's bearish. I want to see any example if I can find. Now we can't. I'll take a look, but I hope you got my message and you got the concept of it. And yeah, and yesterday we took an entry of GBPUSD. If someone is watching from yesterday's live session, if you remember, we took this trade on 5 minutes time frame, and where is that? I'm going to show that in my weekends video, so you see when we entered, but want to show you the results. Yeah, here. So yesterday we took this trade on 5 minutes time frame. Right here, that was a quick scalp, and we took some crypto trades as well, scalping session. I'm planning to do scalping session as well very shortly, very soon. So that hit the targets. Satish. Okay, so USDCHF going down, where is next support level? Let's take a look at USDCHF. USDCHF is still inside the support level. If you look at the daily time frame, if it closes as a bearish candle on a daily time frame, then we have a confirmation that price is going to push lower. Then we're going to use this zone 0.8850 that goes up to 0.8903. The 0.8850 that goes up to 0.8903. If it breaks below, then we have a very likely chance the price will retest and fall. And if it falls, the next level from buying for my buyer trades will be, it will be right here. Yeah, that's the only level I'll be looking at if we broke below. $0.8458, that goes up to 0.8583. So that's a support level if the price breaks below. But it's not going to fall like crazy. But once we are broken below, very important, we need to break below this first support level. Once broken below, retest and then fall. So we're going to go only for bearish trades once we are broken below. So let's see. We still have a chance that next candle turns back to be a bullish engulfer and price might push up. So very important, wait and see. Hi James. Let's look at natural gas, long term as well. It doesn't look bearish to me, James. Technically, it doesn't look bearish to me because we are above 50 and 20 EMA on weekly time frame as well. And we have broken above the support as well. We are above on daily time frame as well. 1 hour, all the time frames, it looks bullish to me for now. I will only go bearish once we are broken below this zone. Otherwise, I'm not looking for bearish trades. Otherwise, I'm just in a buy for natural gas, and I'm just going to look for some pullbacks from this level, even though that's a major zone. So just pullbacks from this level, and then price will likely push up to the next support level, resistance level, sorry, up there. So I'm not bearish for natural gas, even long term as well. So that's a good uptrend. And until the trend is not broken completely from here, we are not bearish for natural gas. So that's why I keep you guys informed every day, informed with the moves of natural gas every day. The condition changes every day. So for now, it still looks bullish to me. So just, yeah, I'll be buying natural gas, not selling. My pleasure, James. Right, so yeah, Flexi, yeah, thank you. Okay, so let me show you the crypto trades we set yesterday. Right here, I guess, yeah. So if you are trading crypto futures, Blur, in my live session yesterday, I've said that I'm bearish. That pushed lower nicely from the box. Nvidia, yeah, we're going to take a look at Nvidia. Yeah, that's why, Kamal, I look mostly at technicals. So you see last time it goes opposite from the report. So I do look at the reports, storage reports, but I still look at the technical factors because technical factors are the strongest factors because most of the traders, the institutions, they are looking at the supply and demand zones. So they're looking at supply and demand zones. So once the price is in these areas, we want to ride along with them rather than just looking at the news. News is going to hit you here and there. So that's why, yeah, we look at fundamentals, but not heavily. I want to combine both. Palladium, Nvidia, LUCID, okay. Okay, for palladium, we are getting a possible entry. If this closed as a bullish engulfer, must engulf the previous wick as well for the strong entry. If that happens, we have a good chance the price will push up. Again, it's not oversold, so a strong entry will be with oversold situation. So yeah, it's totally up to you. For that, you can wait for the double bottom. If you don't want to take a risk, double bottom, come back to the previous level again, like this. So if you want to be really extra cautious to take your trades, which I do for commodities, double bottom and a push higher. So that is what we need to look at. For example, you are in my MMTS2 course as well, so you know we just took this trade right here a few days ago, double bottom with divergence. So that is what we need to look at for a strong entry. So yeah, that hit the targets and then falls, which is fine. Going good. So Nvidia. For Nvidia, we are still looking at a pullback. 115.94, that goes to 123.89. So we are still looking at the pullback, and we are not taking any trades. So I'm going to give you one more condition if you want to enter aggressively. So from the top, let's use this zone below. That 50% retracement can be entry. When there is no resistance, no support, then we use Fibonacci retracement as well. So 50% retracement is an entry with a buy limit order, take profit 1.618 retracement. And this is just my opinion. Don't take it as any sort of trading advice. This is something I personally use for my own trading. That's why I'm just trying to share with you. So don't take it as any sort of trading advice and don't invest anything. Don't take my words on it. But for now, looking at this bullish candle, if we have a pullback to 50% retracement, then I will enter, buy a trade, and exit 1.81 retracement. But if there is, let's say, one more green candle, I will remove my Fibonacci tool until we get a 50% retracement, and from the top, and then I will use the upper level. If we have some more momentum, I will use the upper level for my Fibonacci retracement. So these are the good conditions I'll be looking at, either 50% retracement or either from the zone to take my next buy trade. So we are still bullish and we are continue to push higher. Thank you so much, Walid. Thank you so much. Hi, Abby, Mohammed Umar. Yes, that looks like it has broken. SPX and DX. Okay, let's take a look at that SPX as well. Yeah, net gas has broken above. Looks like it. Yeah, let it close. So very important to see the candle must close above. Once we are closed, then we have a confirmation that price likely push up. See, crude oil is nicely rejecting, nice, from the termination zone. So very good. Let's see if it pulls back, and SPX as well. So yeah, we can expect some correction here on SPX, S&P 500, and I'm expecting a pullback retest of the previous level and then a continuation towards the upside. So I'm still bullish for this one. My major zone is right here, which is quite far. The same goes for Nasdaq. Yeah, so wait for that. Overbought, expect some correction and then push higher. LUCID, yeah. So we are still waiting for this box to break, and we are still in the support area. We bounced up from this area, right? So we can get a possible double bottom and a bounce again. So that is what I'm waiting for the price. A good buying level. That's a good buying level. So I'm expecting a price to push up from here at least till the top 3.72 point, and that goes to 4.12. My pleasure, Lee. And let me see some good opportunities on smaller time frames since we are here. US cocoa, okay. Since we have a questions, let's take a look at US cocoa. I think so I've already covered that, but since we've just joined, let's take a look US cocoa. Yeah, like I said, it's still bullish. Retest has been done. Break, retest. All I want to see a bullish candle. But here, that's a bullish candle. That's not a bullish engulfer, but that also looked like a morning star pattern. But if you just seen my video, I wanted to see this candle to be a bigger one, and still a bullish pressure. I can see two bullish candle, pin bar, 382 candle, and that looks good. Yeah, so expecting a price to push up till 11,275. That goes up to 11,741, from where I'm going to look for my counter trend trade. So only bullish trades as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA. Both we are above 50 and 20 EMA on daily and 4 hour, so not going against the trend, only looking for buying trades, and looks like it's going to push higher. Flexi, I don't know what you are commenting on. YouTube is restricting your comments. I think so. Links are not allowed or something. So I can see the message has been deleted. So make sure you're not sending any messages that contain any links or anything like that. Thank you so much, Christian Lopez. Thank you so much. Thanks for supporting as well. And Awanda, two candles close. Yes, Parajit, on Awanda, yeah, look for, if you're looking for pullback entries, two candles are very important. Yeah, so we have a second candle, we have a close above, very good signal, and now let's have some more momentum than a pullback, than a continuation. So still looking at the upside for natural gas. Crude oil on 1 hour time frame, Doji. On 1 hour time frame, that's a bearish engulfer, and that's a bearish signal. So that can possibly just retraced and then come back in this zone. Not an entry, like not a strong entry from the resistance. It is not a resistance level. It's just termination zone from where I want to see a push down, then a push up. But that can be good for a quick scalp if you want to take a risk. For crude oil, I don't dare to take a risk. But that's a bearish engulfer, bearish pressure. Exactly something like this we are getting here as well. So, but that's on 1 hour time frame. Entries on 1 hour time frame is not really stronger. Hi Nitin from Kuwait. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thanks for supporting as well, guys. So looks like USDCHF has broken below now. So we're looking at the level below. And anything else? Any questions? Let me know before I end the session. Neo. What about Decentraland? No, I have no idea about this, Josie. If you can just write down any details of that, I can take a look if you want me to. Hi Samit, gold, Bitcoin, TCB zone, yeah, Neo, okay. So what we're looking at, Neo. I'm still waiting for the price to get to this level, 622, that goes up to 604 to short this one, this stock. We are just ranging sideways. It's either going to go up or go down, so just range. No nice opportunities. Level below is right here, 2.14, that goes up to 273. So up and below, yeah, we have both levels. That can be head and shoulder pattern as well, but we need to see a complete push up to this level, rejects from here, then pull back, then push up. So that's what I'm looking at. So let's see how it goes. We have no opportunities for this one, just sideways movement. No, Kemal, I have no news about ETFs of Ethereum at this point. No, I have no idea about that. Let's take a look at gold. Still range, still waiting for the price to break above this high. Once broken above, we are only looking at buying trades. So we are still not taking any trades until we are in this range. So break below or break higher will be my confirmation. Looks like at this point we can still break high because we are above 50 EMA. So yep, there's a chance the price will break above, and if we have that, we are good to go to look for the long trades. So we are still ranging and not taking any trades. Sideways movement, still waiting for the confirmation of the trend up or below. Bitcoin, yeah, okay. Crypto is falling down and looks like we have another opportunity to buy. By the way, I've took my profit here for the mover coin. That's good decision. It's always nice to take your profits rather than just waiting. So that's why people make money. Pull the money out of the market if you get a good opportunity. For we are heading down to good support level. Let's readjust this level. Yes, so good level here. So if you're looking to buy, that's a good level to buy. 57,472, that goes up to 61,180. So I've mentioned these levels as in my recent video as well. So this level is a possible level for the good bounce. We are still ranging, but we are still in an uptrend and accumulation of the orders. And once we are broken above the accumulation level, which is right here, then we are looking at the upside. So if we are, let's say, broken below, it will fall and crash. If we broke above, it will rise and it will go higher and higher. So that's what we need to look at. But in this range, we can take some trades. If you are a future trader, if we can take an entry here, bullish engulfer, exit, bearish engulfer, exit. So that is what we need to look at this point for Bitcoin. Avalanche, okay, let's try to add this one. So just let me know if I'm looking at the right instrument. Are you looking at this one? If yes, just let me know. I'll add that. Perfect. So let's add this one. So mark these two levels, Samit. 1829 that goes to 821.74, and one level above, which is 2923 that goes to 3288. Now as we are broken below the resistance, the previous support, we have a very good chance the price will fall to this level below, from where we can expect a bounce and then a continuation, or we'll see from there. But now if I use my Fibonacci levels, expect some pullback to 50% retracement, then a fall, at least till 1.618 retracement. So it's bearish, and if you want to wait for the extra confirmation, wait for the pullback. Bearish engulfers a double top. So only looking for bearish trades, but with the Fibonacci levels, if you want to, we can absolutely plot those levels, because the conditions are meeting to plot these levels. So something like this. We can also use a bigger level. That looks good to me. Yeah, that looks good to me. So right here, Fibonacci level, it is a likely chance it will hit this Fibonacci level and then fall to the support area below. So that's what I'll have my two zones, above and below. Hi Ashok, my pleasure. Samit, why not? Yeah, Nifty 50. Not sure if you follow me on Money Markets Urdu channel. I've already uploaded a video for Nifty 50 as well, but let's take a look since you are here. Is it Nifty or Nifty 50? I'll check crude oil in a second. Nifty 50. Okay. Yeah, Nifty 50 here. So Ashok, we have two, I've already marked these levels because I'm following the Indian market as well. So it's 23,089 that goes to 23,230. Just mark this level on your charts. Adjust it like this. So 23,277 that goes down to 23,089. So what we can expect, a pullback and then a continuation towards the upside. So we can also calculate the pullback from the Fibonacci retracement like this. So you can also watch the recorded session afterwards. So my 50% entry will be right here, and we have a chance the price hit 50% and then push up to 1.618 retracement, then pull back and then push up. So that is what I'm expecting now. Plot your Fibonacci tool at these zones, look at 50% retracement, and then expect a possible push up from Nifty 50. We are bullish, and it's likely chance that it will continue to push up. And if you remember in your election days in India, I've mentioned this level, and I've already told you guys that it's going to push up from here. and that nicely pushed up, as it was a win of election of Modi ji, right? So Kalpesh, major player in the crowd. Yeah, Ashok, it's Money Markers Urdu channel. So if you just type Money Markers Urdu, I have that's for Indian audience as well, and for Urdu speaking audience. So it's also linked in my description. So let me try to send a link. Right, so that's a channel, Money Markets Urdu, where I upload Indian market videos and gold and silver as well. So in Hindi language, in Urdu language, so you can take a look. And MCX, what's MCX? Let's see. So I'm looking at this one, Flexi. If yes, just let me know in the comment section. It's Indian market MCX. So let's take a look at cryptos again, and let's look at some nice entries. Coming back on 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, that looks good. Now, so mark these zones on 5 minutes time frame. If you guys are watching this video, if we broke above with one candle, we enter here, stop loss here. That's for 1000 pips. Let's mark this for the next live session, so that if you're watching it, we know that we have marked these. And it's not just like drawing a box. I have some rules for that. Please don't trade them just with that. Break above or break below. Looks like it's going to break above. Stop loss here, 1 to 1 for this coin as well. So this is just a short-term trading, not just a scalping for future traders. Ethereum 5 minutes on Binance chart. Let me mark that as well. Once we are broken above, let's say we are above, and let's place the position as well right here. So if we have that, that's going to be like this. So I want to wait for the break. Sol. Hi Peter. Wheat. Wheat. Wheat hit the targets. I think so. Walid took this trade yesterday, and that was a Fibonacci entry we took in yesterday's live session. So yeah, that hit the targets as per my yesterday's video, which I'm going to show you in the weekend's video, where I show you the entries we take, and that is what we took in the weekend's video. We entered at a 50% retracement, and from where we have a nice fall. So as now the target is hit, I'm not taking entries anymore, but as now the price made a new low, all I want to see a pullback, bearish engulfer, and keep on taking shots. And I'm going to use the zone above, which is 6.013 that goes up to 6.196, a zone from where we can possibly get a push lower. And let's see the next support for wheat. It is right down here, from where now I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. That was my previous support. That's why I remember that as well. So a good support. Until then, I'm just going to look for my selling opportunities. Right here, 5.271. Mark these zones on your charts and just look for sell trades as long as we are trading below 50 and 20 EMA. MOX, MOEX, okay. Moscow, okay, sure. So Flex, we have a nice uptrend. Looks like the trends is gonna change now. So what I'll do, I have this anchor level, right? That has been rejected nicely, not broken. So if this anchor level is broken, 224, that goes to 228.70. If this anchor is broken, then the price will likely reverse. That's a possible head and shoulder pattern as well. If you have a push up rejected from here, from the upper anchor level, 237.59, that goes to 241.29. If rejection from here, then that could be a possible change in trend and we are likely to see a reversal from here. So a critical level and look for a possible reversal from here as long as we are below the first stop, not taking any trades below 50 EMA, possible head and shoulder pattern, possible breach of the anchor level. That is why we're gonna likely push lower. Right guys, so I'm gonna take a look at one or two markets as well, then I'm gonna head off for some work I need to do. And let's take a look at crude oil quickly. So now I'm looking at a possible head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, the price is rejected and all I want to see a push down to the termination zone. Now for my termination zone, it is something like this. Like this. And I've seen crude oil respects these levels a lot due to my backtesting process. And if we have a fall to my termination box, then I will look for the bullish pin bars or 382 candles. Again, I've already made a video how to trade 382 candles and bullish engulfers as well. And I'm gonna go long from here. So wait and see. If let's say we are broken above this top, only then I'm going to look for my next buy trade. So if you ask me, Omar, what to do now at this point, I will wait. Wait till we are broken above or wait till the price push down to this level. Now in this process, in this push down, as you can see, after this high, if we have a pullback to 50 EMA and price forms a bullish engulfer, I'm going to go for the quick scalp long for the long trades. So that's what I'll be looking at for crude oil. Bullish engulfer above 50 EMA, break above for the long trade or long from this box. So that is what I'll be looking at. So not selling, but looking for long opportunities at this point. That Flexi, I can't understand this language. I think so that's Russian. So I think so that is it. And let's wrap the live session. I think it's been more than 1 hour since we are live, and that was a good one. Some of you joined as well. And I've already uploaded a video of crude oil, natural gas, gold, silver, so you can take a look at the video as well. So 7,000 Parachute 7,071. Are you looking at MCX market, I guess? Right, guys, so I'll leave you to enjoy your day, and any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram, and where I can reply you as soon as possible. Any questions, any confusions. So till then, I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll carry on with my day as well. Hope you trade green. Enjoy your weekend. Sorry, enjoy your day. See you guys in the next video. You guys take care.